Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Threads notifications on Instagram. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, that you've seen a thread right here popping on your Instagram wall. All right, just go ahead and tap the three dots on it and hit on hide. All right, or I am not interested. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now, in order to stop all Threads notifications on your Instagram, just go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now, in here, you're going to want to locate notifications under how you use Instagram. All right, just tap on notifications. Tap on it. Now, in here, go ahead and find from Instagram, which is right here. Tap on it. Now, the only thing that you need to turn off here if you want to stop receiving notifications from Threads is just this one, products, announcement, and feedback. Just turn it off and wait for it to load. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and turn off reminders, ads, support requests, trending places as well. It's up to you. And that's basically how you stop Threads notifications on Instagram. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.